Bhagavad Gita, its essence. Copyright and audio, Muneen Mishra. Chapter 2, Doctrine of Knowledge. Soul immortality, the eternal reality. Arjun accepts Krishna as his Lord humbly. Requests to know how the grief dispelled be. Of the entire Bhagavad Gita, it is a summary. Karma, Jnana, Sankhya, Buddhi, Atma told me. Importance of immortal Atma explained me, which exists in all forms discussed fully. Arjun being overcome with grief, eyes overflowing, bringing no relief, Krishna asks, why at this hour you assaulted by delusion's shower? It ill behoves wise, tarnishes glory, lose but paradise, it be not manly. Arjun, conquer faint-heartedness, fight, that be your path, it be your light. Arjun, Krishna, these arrows, how can I shower on Bhishma, Drona, whom I revere? It far better be on just ants to live than take their lives. All I'll just give. I only know that hateful I'll be of self with but sinful misery. Just power stained but certainly with their blood shed ruthlessly. I would hate myself and the powers growing with their blood and flowers. We know not what virtues be for us, nor who will be victors, they or us. What be good for us, we know not. Who shall win the war, we see not. Slaying kin, Kauravs, I want not. Surviving thereafter, I wish not. Achieving God's domain, earth's mastery. Sorrow saps my soul, I seek no remedy. My illusion distracted, spirit enfeeble me. Teach what best to your disciple is truly. I will not fight, saying Arjun felt silent. Krishna stated, emotions not violent. You grieve in vain, yet speak this wise, mourn not for dead, nor for those alive. At all times did you, I, or they exist, and shall never but cease to exist. Body passes from childhood to age, fear not. Soul changes body, wise deluded not. Son of Kunti, ephemeral are feelings, even emotions of our senses reeling. The heat, cold, the pleasure, the pain, all you must endure, and not in vain. He alone but does attain salvation, who sways not by senses creation. The wise know, endures the real, while ephemeral be, but the unreal. The reality pervading be life immortal. None can destroy him, he is immortal. Fight Arjun, only the body is perishable. Soul, the Atma, be but imperishable. You, the soul, cannot be killed, nor kills. Ignorant are those to whom this not fills. The soul dies not when the body is slain. Beyond birth, death, it constantly remains. As man discards old clothes for new, soul migrates from the old body to new. No arms can cut it, no fire can burn it, no wind can wither it, no water wets it. Ever pervading, eternal, changeless, soul not burnt, drowned, is woundless. It be beyond the senses and the mind, immutable, grieve not, or it be sublime. Grieve not for cycle of birth and death, inevitable they be, whatever your health. Futile to grieve for what be ordained, as none can stop his nature's game. Before birth, beings were ethereal. After death, they will be ethereal. Why grieve for the body ephemeral? Understand this, for it is the real. Marvelous is the soul, they say, yet none to understand its way. The soul be immortal, is not slain. Grieve not, it but suffers no pain. Heed your duty, be not faint-hearted, for a warrior no greater duty regarded. In righteous war, path demarcated, to the gates of paradise it be fated. Quit, and you will fall from the pedestal glory. Long will remain, recall your infamy. You will reach the mere of sin truly, worse than death in life's journey. You shall be charged by far and near, for fleeing from battle, that be clear. Enemy will slaughter you relentlessly, for what more grievous than calumny? Fight, in victory inherit the earth, in death at heaven have a birth. Care not for victory and defeat, gain, loss, joy, sorrows or defeats. Fight, no sin shall you incur. Samakhya, the flag you flutter. This path is for you to tread, this the knowledge, no regret. Of the second path, action be, yoga unerringly you may see. It will bring to you three deliverance. Fruitful will be this path, no indulgence. Your path shall ever fixed be, safe from pitfall, disasters to see. Be steadfast and on path ever fixed, hydra-headed, preaching, not deluded. Some pretend Vedic affairs rituals lead to power and life immortal. But alone misery is what it attains, as ignorance is the name of their game. Ved but three states of attachments: secure, discarding all, truth, sacrament. In truth secure, be master of your soul. Only then attainment is of your whole. The learned rely on Vedic rituals, no more than as on a well so able, where water abounds in plentiful, for water with action is incapable. Just action is your birthright, never overcome, it is not right. Ever dynamic you must but be, not seeking rewards unceasingly. Quit your craving, you must act. Success or failure is not the pact. Only the mental tranquility does be. Mental detachment gives serenity. Even action pales before this gospel. Weak seek reward, for wise it is ample. Yoga be just the wisdom in action, which pales with mental detachment. The wise denounce desire in action, good or bad, without emotional reaction. By self-surrender and selfless action, liberated from earth, lord their attachment. When senses have conquered delusion, inherent be detachment without illusion. When your vexed mind attains serenity of thought, you then become a yogi. Arjun, longing for knowledge to gain, visualizing that from Lord it reigned, spoke, Lord, how speaks and lives man who attains peace and bliss? Ascetic wards off material appetite, sensual yearning pleased with its delight. When of supreme man has insight, then alone will be sublime delight. Tyrannous be senses, distracting mind, wise strive to conquer, merge with divine, subduing his senses, immersed in yoga, intent in me, therein I will but abode. Dwelling on sense objects gets attachment, leading to desire, anger and frustration. Anger gets delusion, confusion of memory, wisdom be lost, all ruined and be dreary. He who has his senses in control, quitting love, hate and such role, is ever happy even in material activity. Sorrows vanish, mind has tranquility. Surrendering action to Lord His way, then only truth is but what He says. The concept of mind then but phrase, and wisdom comes forever to stay. Undisciplined mind has no insight, nor calm of meditation or its sight. Impossible then be peace or joy, no matter how hard one may try. Like a boat be tossed in a wave by every wind, breeze or gale, slave of passion, be restless in life, no matter how hard he may strive. Attainment of mental tranquility be, when senses be in control surely. Then all be like daylight, its clarity, else gloomy ignorance and inanity. As the ocean, unruffled by small water, wise be tranquil, despite sense slaughter, disregarding his longing, desire, vanity, attains bliss, peace and tranquility. Such be state of spiritual dedication, rising himself with his attainment. This is the path of man's salvation, the path of bliss and self-realization.